Evaluation of physico-chemical characteristics of water in Warangal district, Telangana, India. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Water quality is essential for ensuring safe usage in domestic and agricultural applications, particularly in regions with intensive farming activities. Contaminated water sources can result in severe waterborne diseases that affect human health. Limited research exists on poultry farm water sources in Warangal district, leaving gaps in understanding long-term contamination impacts on human and animal health. Therefore, the research aimed to assess the physiochemical contamination in the groundwater. In the Warangal district of Telangana, 100 water samples for a period of 6 months from poultry farms were analyzed to assess key physiochemical parameters, including pH, temperature, electrical conductivity, total dissolved solids, TDS, salinity, redox potential, and hardness. The physiochemical parameters were analyzed using a digital water analysis kit. Data collected for all the water quality parameters were arranged and subjected to descriptive statistical analysis. This study revealed significant variations in water quality throughout the Warangal district of Telangana, highlighting important issues such as pH levels, total dissolved solids, TDS, and hardness that exceed the permissible limits as indicated by the Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS, IS 3025. The results showed considerable variability, with pH values ranging from 4.8 to 9.28, indicating both acidic and alkaline conditions. Conductivity ranged from 48 to 940 SCM, while TDS levels varied between 48 and 1470 ppm, with some samples exceeding permissible limits. Salinity and hardness fluctuations raised concerns about water suitability for consumption and irrigation. Correlation analysis revealed strong positive relationships between salinity and TDS, R is equal to 0.6 to 7, P 0.01, and between conductivity and redox potential, R is equal to 0.614, P 0.01, highlighting the interdependence of dissolved ions and oxidation reduction processes. Additionally, moderate correlations were observed between TDS and both conductivity, R is equal to 0.407, P 0.01, and pH, R is equal to 0.346, P 0.05. These findings emphasize the necessity of ongoing monitoring and strategic water treatment measures to safeguard water quality and ensure its safe and sustainable use. Addressing these concerns requires a comprehensive approach that includes technological advancements, regulatory measures, and public awareness campaigns. Further studies on contamination sources are needed to develop effective water management strategies. Introduction: Poultry farming is an important and efficient way to produce food and provide nutrition to many people. However, it also generates large amounts of waste, like manure and litter, which can pollute the soil and water if overused. These wastes may contain harmful substances like bacteria, antibiotics, and hormones that can harm the environment. At the same time, clean water is becoming more scarce and polluted, especially in growing countries like India. With increasing population and industrial activity, our freshwater resources are under a lot of stress. Rivers, lakes, and even underground water sources are being contaminated, making clean water harder to find and more expensive to treat. This affects not only human health but also the balance of nature and aquatic life. Groundwater is one of the safest and most widely used water sources. However, it is also at risk of pollution and overuse. To ensure safe drinking water, it is important to regularly test groundwater for key physical and chemical properties like pH, dissolved oxygen, conductivity, and total dissolved solids. Understanding these characteristics helps in deciding whether the water is safe for drinking and other uses, especially in areas affected by mining and urban development. Conclusion: water quality varies significantly among collected samples, with some sources showing unsafe levels of acidity, dissolved solids, and hardness. Factors like industrial waste and agricultural runoff contribute to these fluctuations, affecting both human health and farming. Regular monitoring, proper treatment, and stricter pollution control are essential to safeguard water resources. Raising awareness among communities can further help in ensuring clean and safe water for future generations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.